Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Thank you so much for the amazing response I'm getting on all my episodes. I'm really very grateful to all those who are listening to my podcast and commenting on it and appreciating it. Thank you so much. So, today we are here again on process number 15 from the book Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. And today the process is known as the wallet process. Yes, uh, we call it as purse or wallet, which is a thing which we use to keep our money inside it. Okay, so basically this process is going to help us to increase our prosperity level, to improve our limitations which we have around the prosperity. So basically what we have to do over here, because mostly whenever we are thinking about happiness, whenever we thinking about something which we want to buy, it is related to money, that if we have that this much amount of money then we'll be able to buy, and if we'll buy this then we'll be happy. So our happiness and money is almost are like they are interconnected. So it is not basically true. We can also be happy without money, but still in our real world, in this whenever we see around, it is all created with the money. Whatever we are having, it is all because we have used money and we have bring that in our life. So basically whenever we are focusing on money, then if it is coming to you, that means you are focusing on the positive side of that subject. And but whenever if you want some money and if it is not coming to you, that means you are actually focusing on the lack of the money. So again, over here, to improve our level of vibration, to focus on the positive direction of this area or of this topic money, the wallet process is very easy and really very effective. So what we have to do, we have to have a 500 rupees note minimum. Okay, you can have 1000 rupees as well, that is 500 too, or nowadays we can have this 2000 rupees note. So we can have that note in our wallet or in our purse, and we have to not use it once. That means whenever we are having this 2000 rupees note in our wallet, then while in our day-to-day life, when we are passing through, when we are going through all our scheduled work, we have to just think for a second that yes, I am having this 2000 rupees, so what can I buy from that? So whenever suppose I'm passing to a restaurant, then I can just think of yes, this 2000 rupees I'm having in my purse, so I can go into the restaurant, I can order a pizza, a cold drink, and can have a delicious lunch. Then again, when I'm passing through a departmental store, I can see that okay, from this 2000 rupees I can buy so many different things. If I'm passing through some movie theater, we can imagine that yes, from this 2000 rupees I can watch movies and have this popcorn and all that. So here the main thing is that we don't have to use this money at once, but by remembering and by just having this feeling that yes, this money can be used in various different things, is going to give us this feeling of financial well-being, because we are not spending it once, but mentally we are spending these almost 20-30 times a day, and this is going to increase our vibrational feeling, and it is going to give us an thinking in our mind that yes, this 2000 rupees, when we are using it for 20-30 times for various other different topics and for various other different things to buy, then we can have this, we can improve our limitations on thinking of the prosperity, and we can think that yes, we can spend this 20,000-30,000 rupees. So we do not have to actually have this abundant in order to attract abundance. We have to feel abundant, so the feeling is very important. So any feeling of lack of abundance causes a resistance, and which does not allow the abundance to come into our life. So by mentally spending this money again and again, we are practicing the vibration of well-being. It is giving us the the level of security. It is giving us a level of financial security, and the universe is responding to the vibration which we are sending into the universe, and accordingly our manifestation will be done. So over here, when we are spending this 2000 rupees or even 500 rupees many times, 20-30 times, then you will come to observe in your near future that whatever you have dreamed about, whatever you have thought about using this money is lining up into your life, and it is coming in from all the directions into your life. And it can be like somebody can give you gift as a money, or money as a gift. Somebody can gift you something which you have dreamt about by using this that that 2000 rupees. Somebody your boss might give you raise because of some reason, and your friend might give you the money which he has taken from you long back, and you both have forgotten. So like this, one on the other way, the abundance, I can say the avalanche of abundance will start flowing into your life. So this wallet process is really very easy. You don't have to spend that money at once, but you have to imagine it that you are using this 2000 rupees, and because you are not spending it, and then your wallet is like left out with less amount of money. But when you are using it many times, imagining it, you are actually adding more consciousness to this idea of using this money 20-30 times, and you are involving this universe to give you prosperity. So I think it is clear now that how you can use this wallet process. But if you have any doubt, please let me know. I will be really very grateful to help you. So please and thank you so much.